So what is acceptance testing? In simple terms, acceptance testing is whoever asks for the feature accepting your feature delivery, right? So you create some system for someone ask for you. So who is mostly asking for a feature in a modern software society is a project manager. Maybe a marketing team ask for this feature, or a customer support team ask for this feature, or they can do serve the customers better. Marketing team ask for this feature because this solves some of the marketing problem that the competitors, we wanted to win this competitive market, so we wanted to have this feature to get it. So the names of these teams can be differed between a company to company, that some team is call it as business team, customer support, operations team, whatever it is, right? Someone asks this feature and the developers build the product, and the testers who or when they did unit test and integration and system, all these internal testing is done. We wanted to present this feature to the consumer who actually asked for it and make sure they're accepting the solution for their problem. That is what in general acceptance testing. Examples or some in online conversations you might see these are all types of acceptance testing. In a way, who is accepting at what stage, right? First one is user acceptance testing, what I explained, who is asked for the feature. This doesn't has to be a marketing or outsider, but it could be someone internal, right? A QA person can ask for a specific feature that I wanted to create a checkout without actually sending this data to production. So I wanted to have this feature only on QA and staging, non-production environment. In that situation, the tester is the user. Sometimes some other microservice team asks for, hey, can you do this sanitization before sending me this data? So in that case, other development team can be a user. So the user can define what they want, and then some other team will provide what they wanted. So they will confirm what they wanted and what is delivered is equal. So that is pretty much user acceptance. And then business acceptance is pretty much what I mentioned as marketing team, customer team, whoever wanted to have this feature available in our product. The business needs this functionality, then it's a business acceptance. And contract acceptance or acceptance, it's somehow, imagine Amazon again, you're connecting with Visa card or a MasterCard, they have their own expectation for how this information need to be sent to Visa, or how this information need to be sent to PayPal or Stripe somewhere, right? So that level of acceptance can happen. Then regulation acceptance. So regulation acceptance is kind of tricky. It not happens for all companies, but some of the companies or some of the business are highly regulated. For example, if you are doing some healthcare software, that has to be regulated by government. If you are doing something with trading or securities on the trading market, then there are specific rules from SEC or internal markets that this has to be done in that way. And in banking, insurance, so these are all regulated industries, have their own set of rules for how the system's supposed to work. So before you go to production, you need to get an approval from them, something like an non-objection certificate, NOC or something. So that will goes into regulations accepting. Operational accepting, pretty much similar to business acceptance or user acceptance, how this feature is going to impact or improve the operational benefits of the system. Alpha testing is pretty much giving to a small set of consumers that when you try this application. And beta testing is again another bigger set of consumers, that how you are treating this and how you are accessing it, how this scalability and security and functionality and speed works. So these are all who accepts the feature, when they are accepting the feature, and it's pretty much making sure my expectation met by the delivered product. That's the whole idea of acceptance testing.